With each new episode, the story of the characters is getting stronger, and we face both tense moments and to some extent critical situations. And the next episode is no exception, because you should expect big things from it. We know that there is a lot to cover for Simone and the rest of the key characters, both in terms of their lives as students and also athletes trying to find a way to make things work. The show is aspirational, but there are 100% a lot of struggles. That will be a theme that, more than likely, continues for a good while. But at this stage, it should be noted that we are approaching the break of the show, and today's episode was the end of the first part. As for when the 8th episode returns to the air, it should be expected no earlier than January 2nd. In addition, there is every reason to believe that the second part of the show will be more epic in scale, which is an absolutely exciting perspective when it comes to expanding this world and adding more depth. I am hoping that when the series returns, we'll see more of the highs and lows for some of the players. What do you want to see most in the next episode?